cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches must remain in airplane mode until after we land. We will be landing soon.
And once again, if you could please make sure to treat people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is another family vlog because we are traveling to Phoenix. Actually, we're traveling to Arizona. Like, we are at Phoenix right now, but we are going to Sedona, Grand Canyon, Antelope Canyon. So that's 3 in our agenda. So that's like an Arizona vlog. Yeah, let us take you around. We had to start with some coffee. Krishav is binging on some blueberries. Do you like your blueberries? Good. What do you have? He has some matcha.
Yeah, some raspberry white chocolate matcha.
Nice. We went to this place called Coffee Builders. It was really nice, but we reached there like at 3:45 and they close at 4, so we could not eat anything. So we're pretty hungry because we've not had lunch. Let's see where we get for lunch. But right now, Krishav is having his amazing lunch. Hello, Krishav. Well, Mama and Dada are having coffee. We just checked into our hotel. We always book like Hilton Grand Vacations because they come with a little kitchen, little sofa area. So it's like a whole suite situation, which really helps us with the baby. Hi, baby. Hi. This is how our room looks like. This is the bedroom, pretty spacious. Then we have a closet, which is like huge. And then we have the washroom, and then again you go back to the main area. But we are tired, we had a long day, so that's it for today. Let's see you tomorrow.
The next morning.
We have just started our day and we are going for breakfast. It's 10. It was pretty chilly in the morning. I don't think we were prepared for that, so we're starting our day late. But now let's enjoy the view and go for breakfast. Some breakfast. How do you feel? Looks yummy. Yums. Yes, and the baby is sleeping. We like that because if you want to do something later than this, then he should sleep at this time. Is Krishav excited for his first hike?
Clap, clap, clap.
Yay! We are going up to see the most famous Devil's Bridge. So let's see how it is. 15 minutes into the hike, we've lost our way twice. Luckily, there's a group going in front of us. So we're just gonna follow them because our phones have no networks. We have no idea where to go. Halfway through almost. We started our hike from Mescal parking lot because there was no parking in Dry Creek or Devil's Bridge. So now we just reached Devil's Bridge trailhead, and I think it should be a short hike to Devil's Bridge now. Hopefully we're doing much better. I think it's not that difficult. I don't know about Rishabh. What do you want to say? You want to do more hikes for summers?
Do you want to do more hikes with
Are you enjoying your hike?
Yes.
Yep, we're almost there. We have to go all the way to there. I'm tired. That is where we started with. How are you doing, Dad? You get the Dad of the Year award. Clap, clap. Can you clap for Papa? Clap, 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 clap.
Clap.
Wow, we reached. It's beautiful, it's scary, and everything in between.
A little more forward if you can.
I think we avoided the rush because that's all. And like there are people who've gone like thrice now. So there's not a lot of people. 3 hours, 15 minutes later, we're almost back to the parking. I think 1/3 of the way is left. 3 hours later, we made it and it was definitely worth it. The hike, the rocks, everything's just worth it. It's just so beautiful.
Happy birthday to you. So the second one.
Clap, clap, clap. It's about 5. This creature had his nap and everything. I can't move. My legs are tired. Rishabh can't move. His legs are tired. But he has the whole energy in the world. है ना?
The next morning.
The next day, yesterday, we came back and we were so exhausted. We dozed off. Rishabh, did you have energy to do anything? I think we slept at like 8:39. I slept at 8 and then Krishu woke up and then we got him to sleep and then we slept. At max at 9, we were tired, we were hell tired. We did not do anything, just had a chilling day at... थी यहाँ पे मैं तेरे को बोल रही थी झूले ये देख ऐसा लाइक क्या बोलते हैं उसको हाँ आई नो इट्स वेरी कोल्ड बट यहाँ पे ऐसा वो कैनोपीज जैसा है जहाँ पे तुम लेट सकते हो बट एनी विच वेज टुडे was a late day for me, not for Rishabh and Krishna. But Rishabh told me that he is complete like with his sleep, so he took the morning days as usual. Find a husband who can pick up mornings. So oh my god, I still can't walk, but I think a little movement later, I am gonna be okay. But right now we are going to get breakfast and then we check out and head to Grand Canyon today. That's the plan, right? Yeah. So let's go and get breakfast. Every time I'm seeing this, I'm like, wow, it's just so stunning. We are going to Flagstaff for lunch because we are going to Horseshoe Bend. Mom and Dad did not check that Grand Canyon's north rim is actually closed, so we decided to take it. Actually, we did not do a detour. Horseshoe Bend was always in our cards, but we're not doing Grand Canyon. Now we're just doing Horseshoe Bend, and then we stay there and chill. There are a few other places that we want to see around the area, so we do that, and then we just go and chill. That's all. With a baby, your travel is very slow. It's very intentional, and I don't think you plan to do a lot of things or go crazy. Maybe not at this age. Maybe when he grows older, you can do much better with your itinerary. But right now, he needs us a lot, and we need him to like stay sane. Oh yeah, we need him to stay sane. That's not helping. So we found this. Actually, one of my friends suggested this Himalayan Grill Indian Nepali restaurant. So we're gonna do that because the momos are apparently really good.
For some Indian food.
Yes, we're hungry. Yeah, we had acai bowl in the morning, which was very big, but very cold. Now let's go. Our lunch, we have some chhol momos, noodles, and Krishav's lunch. He has some. That's it because he doesn't want to eat lunch, right? And then look at these momos. Wow. Rishabh was in the back, I was in the front for some time, I was driving, now Rishabh's driving again. So, yep, I think one tip would be carry a lot of snacks. We also like bought like a gallon of milk, so we give him milk whenever he wants and he's like hungry. Purees, snacks, nibbles, so that he can just like have something. We finally made it. It is a little cold, so he's packed up. It is a little cold, so there's a little bit of a hike. Nothing compared to what we did yesterday, but still a little bit of a walk to go up to see the horseshoe bend. There's enough traffic today, so let's see if we gonna get a good picture or not. The amount of people. We made it. It's stunning. Like, I don't think camera can do justice to it. So beautiful. We just finished with Horseshoe Bend. Nice place, but a lot of footfalls. If you're coming on the weekend, you have to be like a little more careful. It's a 1 mile hike, like a walk, very easy. If you have a baby, get the stroller. We did not, and after yesterday's hike, we are like exhausted, tired today. So yeah, we should not have done that. But it's already sunset, so how pretty! It's already sunset, so we don't know what we would be doing. Was that a mosquito? Yeah, I don't know what we should be doing next. Okay, we next stopped at the Grand Canyon Dam. I think this side is the dam, and then there's a bridge here. When we were crossing the bridge, it looked like more beautiful, but there's a fast moving traffic, so I could not like capture pictures. We are at the Carl Hidden Visitor Center. If you want to go inside, there's no tours or anything, but it's open from like 9 to 4, and you can look towards the dam. There's like roads blocking it, so we could not. Also very cool, there is like dinosaur footprints over here. Sorry, this is my baby's food packet, but there is like dinosaur footprints over there. Yeah, that's it. I think it's getting pretty dark. It's a little chilly this time of the month, so we are mostly like heading back to our hotel. Last day of the vacation. Again, the same thing happened yesterday. We pretty much dozed off as soon as we landed. We saw the dam, we saw the horseshoe bend, and then we reached the hotel. Krishan was very sleepy by that time. So yeah, we had dinner at a Mexican place, which both of us would not recommend. It was expensive and it was not as good as like the other Mexican places which we've had, so I would not recommend that place. But yeah, that's it. And today is our last day. We've already checked out. What is our plan? We're going to get coffee. Then we're doing Antelope Canyon. Then we'll see if we have time and energy to do something else. If not, we just head back. And the drive is about 5 hours from here to Phoenix, so we just drive back. That's the plan. And then everything else depends on our little baby. God.
5 will become 7 or 8.
Yeah, we're not blaming you. We love you. Yeah, but 5 can become 7 or 8 depending on the diaper situation, the hunger situation, the screaming situation. So you have to account for all of that time. But let's go and see Antelope Canyon, but first get coffee. I think this is one of the cutest coffee places I've come to. It's just so cute. There's like a bookshelf, and then it's like this the coffee station. Am I not ordering? So cute. Instead of like wine bottles, they have like coffee syrups on the stand. This is so cool. We reached our meeting point for the Lower Antelope tour. So you need to book a tour, and there's no video recording allowed, so you're not gonna see anything except for a few pictures. But that's what the plan is. You need to book a tour. You cannot go directly like without a tour booking. We booked a 10:15 tour. We had to be here by 9:30, and now we're waiting for our tour guides to come, and then we'll start. We just got done. Krishna was eating a snack. My reviews on it. We had a few people in our group who wanted to run through it. They couldn't wait to get out of it, I think. And because of that, we were all rushed. So it was a very, very, very beautiful place. Definitely you should visit it. You've seen the pictures, but it was a little rushed, so we did not feel that it was like a wow experience for us, because we could not even pause for a second to like look at it. There were like security guards inside who were like, "Oh, you stayed with the group. I stayed with the group." It was not that fun then, right, Rishif? Right? You should always carry your snacks and your kid's favorite toy. This is his favorite snack, and this is his favorite toy, right? Uh-oh. We are going to see something different. So we saw a reel on Instagram saying there's a Bickley trading post where you can go and like watch like a illusion. So that's what we're gonna do. Krishal's just getting ready, and let's see what it is all about. So this is what we're going to see. Bidi the Arch. It looks very stunning. Let's go check it out. It's right there. Yeah, that's the arch. This is the arch. If you go towards the wall, that is where you see it. A lot of people coming in, but this is like the view. This is how it looks from here, but you actually don't see it till you go inside, and that is when you see the arch, which is so stunning. Like, how can nature make such beautiful things without even knowing that it's doing it? Or maybe they know what they're doing. But yeah, I think we're done with Paige, and then we head back to Phoenix. We have our flight to Colorado today, not tomorrow, today. So we are heading back to Phoenix. I think we have to find a lunch spot, but first diaper change and everything, and then lunch. We are having a full meltdown situation because he doesn't want to sit in the car. So you have to account for all of that also. Rishabh is getting in the car, I'm driving. Rishabh's gonna give him some snacks and he's gonna be fine. A full-blown meltdown. 45 minutes of ride later, we are here for lunch. And every time we go for lunch, he wants this extra spoon and forks to play with. So yeah. Now we are at an Fat Olive. Now we are at an Italian restaurant to eat lunch. This is how your car is going to look. You have way too much stuff just because this boy. We are done with lunch and now we are heading to the airport. It shows about 2.5 hours, so give or take, it might take around 3 hours because might have to stop for coffee, might have to stop for diaper change. You cannot let them sit in the car seat for more than 2 hours, so you have to take a stop. So we'll plan that accordingly. Look at him. He needs all kind of toys to keep him entertained. Krishiv! 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 He's so distracted by every kid that he finds. Krishiv! Mama! Did you have a nice trip?
Mama.
Yes, baby. Did you enjoy?
Mama.
Can you clap for your trip? Can you clap? Nah, not so exciting. We are at the airport checking out. Oh, also hit the subscribe button if you haven't, because dude, it's tough to make content with a baby, with a full-time job. So just subscribe. It'll be a nice thing.